Hello guys, this is Brad. Today you will have honor to download my book for free. It's available for free for 5 days. The title is UnBrokable IV, the first 10 reasons why broke. It's a self-help finance, and I figure out the reason why a lot of people are poor. I'm not poor, for your information. I bought my house 10 years ago with cash, but you may be poor, and I'll let you know what's the reason. And it's available for free for only 5 days. Feel free to download. I read it myself today, and it's perfect. And make sure to leave a rating or review at the end. Thanks.